Alright, we want to look at more questions on given roots in which we'll be asked to find the quadratic equation. Now, we have question 2. Find the equation whose roots are 3 over 4 and minus 4. Recall, in our previous videos, we have been given the general formula in which the root can be found. X squared minus sum of the roots, x plus the product of the roots. The product of the roots equal to 0. Now, if you look at this question, you can easily find the sum of these two given roots. And you can also find the product. So let's find the sum of the roots. The sum of the given root. The sum of the given root means addition. That is 3 over 4 plus minus 4. This is the same thing as saying 3 over 4 minus 4. You can find the LCM. The LCM here is 4. 4 in 4 is 1. 1 times 3, 3. Minus 1 in 4, 4. 4 times 4, 16. Finally, we can have it to be 3 minus 16. That is minus 13 over 4. And this has given us the sum of the roots. This is the sum of the roots. Sum of the given roots. And the next thing is for us to find the product of the roots. We need to find the product of the roots. Now, product of the roots. The product means multiplication. It is 3 over 4 times minus 4. The given root is 3 over 4 and minus 4. This is the product. 4, we cancel 4. So you are left with minus 1. And as 1 times 3 gives us minus 3. Now, we have the sum of the roots and the product of the root now. We can now find our equation. X squared minus into bracket sum of the root, which is minus 13 over 4 minus 13 over 4x plus product of the root. The product of the root is minus 3 equals to 0. So we can rearrange this. We can rearrange it. We can now have x squared minus times minus plus 13 over 4x plus times minus minus 3 equals 0. We can leave the answer like this, or we eliminate the fraction. We can eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides by 4, which is the LCM, this 4. So 4 times x squared will give us 4x squared plus 4 times this. 4 we cancel 4. We can write it in a way like this. 4 times x squared plus 4 times 13x over 4 minus 4 times 3 equals to 4 times 0. That is 4 has multiplied each of the numbers. So this will give us 4x squared. 4 we cancel 4. We are left with 13x minus 4 times 3, 12 equals to 4 times 0, 0. You can leave the answer like this, or you eliminate the fraction by multiplying both sides by 4, which has given us this. So our equation is 4x squared plus 13x minus 12 equals to 0. That is question number 2. Now let's look at question 3. Let's assume that the given roots here are not 3 over 4 and minus 4. Let's assume they are c and minus c. This is one of the WAEC question. Let's assume that the given root is c and minus c. Now, using the same method, we now want to find the sum of the roots. The sum of roots. The sum of root means we should add the two of them together. That will be c plus minus c. And this will give us c minus c. C minus c will give us 0. We can see that the sum of the roots here gives us 0. That does not mean the question is wrong, the question is correct. Now, we can now look at the product of the root. The product of the root. The product of the root is c times minus c. Because the two roots is c and minus c. By the time you multiply this, you will get minus c squared. That is 2c, 6 squared, with this negative minus 6 squared. Now, we now have the sum of the roots, we also have the product of the roots. So, using the general formula of x squared minus sum of roots x plus product of roots equal to 0. We now have x squared minus the sum of the roots is 0. X plus product of the root is minus c squared. Minus c squared equals 0. Finally, we now have x squared is 0 times x is 0. So this part is gone. This part is gone. Plus times minus will be minus then c squared equal to 0. So we now have the equation to this equation to be x squared minus c squared equals to 0 as the equation to the given root of c and minus c. So this will be the end of finding a quadratic equation when you are given a root. Thank you.